In today's video, I am going to teach you how to add announcement bar in Wix. To get started, open your Wix editor and look over to the left sidebar. This is where you will find the tools you need to add new content and design elements to your site. Click on Add Elements, marked with the plus icon. This opens the element library, where Wix groups different features by category so they are easy to find. Next, go to Contact and Forms, and then select Welcome Bars. If you do not see it right away, you can also use the search bar inside the element panel and type in Welcome Bar. This can save time, especially if you are working in a larger editor layout or just want to get to the right tool quickly. Once you are in the Welcome Bars section, choose the horizontal banner layout you like best. When you find one that fits your design, drag it onto your page and place it at the very top of the header section. Positioning matters here because the announcement bar is meant to sit above your main content and stay visually connected to the top of the site. After placing it near the top, drag the bar upward until you see the message, Attach to Header. This is important because attaching it to the header helps keep the bar aligned properly with the top of your website. It also makes the announcement feel like a natural part of the site layout instead of just another floating element. Now double-click the text box inside the announcement bar and type your custom message. This could be a promotion, a limited time offer, an important update, or any short message you want visitors to notice right away. Keep the wording clear and concise so it is easy to read at a glance. You can then click on the bar itself and open Settings. This is where you can adjust the background color, change the font size, or edit the button text if your selected layout includes a button. These small design changes can help the announcement match the style of your website and make it stand out without looking out of place. When everything looks the way you want, go to the top right corner and click Publish. This will make your announcement bar live on your site, so visitors can start seeing it right away. That covers everything you need to know.